Luka, in your experience last year, what was different about SEC road games? What was the environment like? And was it a learning experience for you?
The road games, it's a little bit different because when we play away, for the offense, the away team isn't allowed. But you know, they're a whole lot more into the game. The crowd for the other teams, when they make plays, you hear the whole crowd roaring. It might get to your head a little bit, but you know, it's got to move on to the next play, and that's probably something I learned the most by playing away.
Obviously, you guys want to win them all, but I mean, back-to-back losses to this particular program. I'm sure the fans of Tuscaloosa are fired up. We've been talking about it a lot. How badly do you guys want this one?
You know, Coach Saban said it today. It's about earning our respect back from this team. You know, everybody else around the country respects us as a team, and you know, this team, they're the only team that beat us two years in a row. I think since Coach Saban been here, and you know, it's about just going out there and beating them all around the field, score on the scoreboard, and Coach Saban on kickoff, return, everyone on the field, and just getting respect back.
Do you feel like there's, I mean, maybe I'm making too much of it, but like the fans, do you hear it from fans? I know you guys hear from fans a lot, maybe on social media or when you're out or whatever. Do you feel like this is one they maybe want a little bit more too?
Oh yeah, definitely. You know, they're part of the team, the fans. So you know, it's the same thing. They want the respect back, and they want the W just as bad as us.
The tempo of Ole Miss's offense, they move pretty quickly. Does that cause problems for you guys?
They do come out a whole lot faster than some teams that we see. But, you know, we have a great scout team, and they move real fast in practice for us and trying to even move faster than the Ole Miss team would. So, you know, when we go out there, it's kind of – I mean, it challenges us, but we don't have any issues with it.
What makes Chad Kelly so good?
What was that?
What makes Chad Kelly so good?
You know, he's a good quarterback. He can make plays with his feet. He has a real strong arm and gets the ball down the field and has good receivers outside that could go down the field and get the ball for him. And like I said, he knows how to make plays, whether it's with his arm or with his feet.
You mentioned the atmosphere, what it's like when the opposing team does well on their home turf. What's it like for you as a defensive player when you or one of your teammates makes a play, you know, and the crowd kind of, you know, stops?
You know, it's a good feeling. You know, you made a play, but like last year against Texas A&M, where I had my one pick and where Eddie had his pick, and the whole crowd was just silent. I was looking around. I thought there was a flag or something on the field, but you know, we're still excited on the field because we did our job and we made a play. So
it's a tough spot for any freshman to play their first true SEC road game, and obviously a lot of eyes have been on Jalen. What is it about you guys that makes you have confidence to be able to handle this spot? It seems like everybody keeps bringing up his composure and his poise as one of his strengths.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. He's very mature for his age and for being a true freshman quarterback. And, you know, he does great composure. And we put pressure on him every day when we go against him, like good on good. And he does a great job of just keeping his composure and his poise. Even if he makes mistakes, he still comes the next play just as hard as he did the last one.
Is there anything you can say to guys who haven't had the experience of a true SEC road game, say, hey, or do they just have to kind of do it?
If I get to talk to him, I just tell him keep calm. If you mess up, just move on to the next play and don't worry about it. And don't listen to the crowd, don't listen to the other team, and just stay focused.
Thanks, man.